down south, naghahanda na rin ang mga kapatid natin para sa New Year 2026. And reporting to us live from the Queen City of the South is our man in Cebu, One News Cebu Desk, Dale Israel. Dale, unya, prutas, unya, magpaboto ba? Meron ba diyang bilihan talaga ng mga papotok?
Maayong hapon, Lord. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Southward Properties kung saan ito ay designated fireworks area dito sa Cebu City. This is far from the communities malapit sa dagat, so it will be generally safer than the usual area. Ang pinakamababa nakita nila dito ay 15,000 kada araw. Hindi naman mababa at hindi naman malulugi, and they think they will be able to get profits tonight or tomorrow, December 31. For example, dito sa John Thirst Fireworks ay nag-invest sila ng mga 500,000 pesos this year for the fireworks, and they believe they can make up for the sales tomorrow night. The same thing last year, the sales are about the same, might be even better. Kahapon naman, we went to Carbon Market there in downtown Cebu City, where fruit vendors are actually struggling with low sales since Christmas despite a large number of buyers in the area. Vendors say their profits have remained low, with some earning around 30,000 pesos from the fruit sales so far. One of the vendors, Princess Villerin, said they invested around 300,000 pesos and they only earn around 30,000 pesos since Christmas. While many of the people are flocking to Carbon Market to buy cheaper fruits compared to mall prices, of course, vendors say the sales have yet to fully pick up. Still, buyers continue to come because of the affordable price. For example, grapes doon are selling at 140 pesos per kilo, kiat-kiat at 40 pesos per kilo, black grapes at 240 pesos per kilo, and 100 pesos for 5 pieces of apples at 100 pesos. To accommodate the crowd and give space to vendors, several roads along the Freedom Park there in Carbon have been closed to vehicular traffic. Despite that, the vendors remain hopeful that tomorrow and today they'll be able to boost sales before the new year. Vendors say they cannot that the Carbon Market remains the cheapest place to buy fruits here in Cebu City, offering the prices far lower than those in the malls, even if shopping there is enduring the heat as what we have right now. Back to you, Lord and Denise.
Dale, sorry to ask, pero yung mga area sa tinamaan talaga ng baha at lindol, you think they're in a celebratory mood at this point pa rin?
Tama, Lord. Marami if we base it on sales, marami naman yung bumibili ng paputok pa rin dito sa Cebu City, even though hindi natin masasabi kung saan galing yung mga taong bumibili. Usually, Cebu City residents are purchasing fireworks here. Actually, 15,000 pesos per day yung kita ng isang shop, ng isang fireworks display shop dito sa Cebu City, Lord. So, makita natin this is a very high sales for them this year.
Dale, sorry, just to touch on what Lord said, can we have also maybe a quick update? Ano na nga ba yung nangyari dun sa ating mga kapatid from Cebu and everyone else na naapektuhan ng lindol at saka nung sunod-sunod na bagyo?
Yes, Denise, a lot of people are still staying at the evacuation centers as of now, and that's what Governor Pamela Baricuato said, that those who have more should instead mag-adapt na lang ng evacuation center at magbigay doon sa evacuation center kasi marami pa rin yung mga taong nasa evacuation center. Sa Bogo City naman, marami pa rin mga evacuation or evacuees doon sa biktima ng earthquake noong September 30. So the earthquake and the typhoon victims are still or the evacuees are still at the evacuation centers doon sa Bogo City at ilang areas doon sa Liloan at saka sa Talisay City.
Alright. So, kayo mismo, Dale, ng family mo, or lagi ka bang nagwo-work noong nakaraang mga ilang taon bilang editor ng isang major daily dyan sa Cebu dati? Or talagang hands-off ang December 31st?
Tama, walang December 31st, walang publication sa newspapers at usually that's what's happening here in Cebu.
Ganyan dapat kasi may ibang talagang bibo talaga . pwede naman mag-advance, di ba? Magsarado ng pahina ng maaga. Pero anyway, our man in Cebu, Dale Israel, pag hindi tayo nakapag-usap ulit, Happy New Year sa inyo, Dale, at Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year, Lord Anthony.